Benjamin, what are you doing?
Why?
How old are you?
More bubbles. Grass.
Lots of grass. Here are bubbles. Benjamin, what are you doing? Are you on a rock? What's on your shirt today? Dinosaur shirt? What color is your dinosaur? That's right. Benjamin, who's the president? President Obama. Do you want to sing a song for the camera? Sing a song. Do you want to sing the ABC song? Sing it. Benjamin, come back. The gate's locked. Who came to play with you last night, Ben? Grandma came to play. Daddy closed the door. Do you want to sing another song? Do you want to sing Twinkle Twinkle? Ta-da! Do you want to sing The Wheels on the Bus? Round and round, the wheels on the bus go. Benjamin, come back over here, please. Benjamin, on the grass only, please. There you go. Good job. Hey, Ben, who's your girlfriend? Emily. Can you count to 10? One, 3, 4. This is really long. Hey, Benjamin, can you come wave hi to the camera? Come wave hi. Come here. No. Benjamin, can you come out of the leaves and stay on the grass only, please? Benjamin, don't touch. That's leaves. Can you come to Mommy, please? Can you come to Mommy? Benjamin?
What?
It's like a pine cone thing. Can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi? Say hi, everyone. Can you say bye-bye? See you. Can you look at me? Can you look at the camera and smile? Say bye.